Now we're dividing a decimal with tenths by a whole number. But in these questions, our answer will have more than one decimal place, so more than one digit after the decimal point. So first, we have 8.8 divided by 5. We can copy the decimal point up into our answer. 8 divided by 5 is 1 remainder 3, so now in our tenths we have 38 divided by 5. That's 7 remainder 3, so what we need to do is extend our dividend with a 0 so that we have a digit to write our remainder 3 in front of. And we can do that because 8.80 is the same as 8.8, so we haven't changed the question. But now, in our hundredths, we can divide 30 by 5, and that gives us 6, so our answer is 1.76. Even though there was only one decimal place in the dividend, because we got a remainder when we divided our tenths, we had to extend the dividend into the hundredths place. Now we have 9.9 divided by 4, so we copy up the decimal point. 9 divided by 4 is 2 remainder 1, but now we have 19 divided by 4. That's 4 remainder 3, so we need to extend our dividend with a 0 so we have a digit to write the 3 remainder in front of. But now we have 30 divided by 4. That's 7 remainder 2, so we need another 0 in our dividend to write the 2 in front of. So we've extended our dividend into the thousandth place, and we can do that because 9.900 is the same as 9.9. But now 20 divided by 4 is 5 with no remainder, so our answer is 2.475. Finally, we have 8.7 divided by 2. We copy up the decimal point. 8 divided by 2 is 4 with no remainder, but now 7 divided by 2 is 3 remainder 1. We need to write a 0 in the hundredths, and we can do that because 8.70 is the same as 8.7, but now we have a digit to write our remainder 1 in front of. So 10 divided by 2 is 5, which means our answer is 4.35. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.